Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Darling Astapan again and welcome to my video. Hi guys! Nag-short video ako sa inyo. Nag-short video ako because I want to say thank you talaga. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-subscribe ng aking channel, family and friends, na bagong kakilala, sa mga busman o sa messenger na nag-subscribe ng aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ay natutuwa kasi road to 500 na po ako. Dati 3 lang ang nag-like or naging 10 because of my family. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At I'll promise you guys, when things will be alright, will be gonna be okay. The lockdown here in London was started last November November 5, I'm sorry, and it will end on December 5. So, pag okay na po at makakaikot na tayo ng London, I gonna share you all guys na magagandang view dito sa United Kingdom, which is like Harrods, beautiful mall, big mall, and of course, this beautiful spot, tourist spot ng London. So, ipapasyal ko po kayo guys. So, don't ever forget just to click the bell for your notification para malalaman nyo na may bagong video ako. At of course, i-share na rin nyo sa mga kaibigan nyo para makatulong at makasubscribe ng aking channel. At hindi po ako nagsasawang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa inyong suporta sa akin, sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming again salamat po sa inyong lahat. So guys, thank you all, to all of you. A shout out to all Londoners. Be careful and stay safe. Kasi alam nyo naman, ang dami na nating virus ngayon. We are in 1 million positive at araw-araw hundreds ang namamatay. So be careful everyone. So hanggang dito na lang. Mabuhay tayong lahat mga Pilipino. I wanna say also, please don't forget to subscribe my daughter's YouTube channel. Is Laika Astapan. Bye everyone. Mabuhay. Thank you.